want me to admit to a priest what I did? You know when the last time I was ever at confession? Now Daddy was a man of faith, but if I walked near a church, the ground would shake and I'd be struck by lightning.
I absolutely loved MaryLee's show. I definitely think the message of the show is hope, not giving up on yourself. As cliche as that sounds, it's such a common story that everybody can relate, and the feeling of getting the story out and finding all of the different components of your story, the joy, the sadness, all of that stuff. It was just so creative and so fun to watch.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. It has been 5 days since my last confession. Oh God, gosh, that's a lie. I have no idea when my last confession was. Honestly, I watched a YouTube tutorial this morning called How to Go to Confession. I couldn't remember my lines.
I thought that it was an incredibly brave piece of theater that MaryLee put together. It's very, very powerful to watch.
I would describe it as brilliantly original and profoundly insightful. That would be like the starter.
Not much of a prayer. I wouldn't expect an answer anytime soon. Face it, MaryLee. You weren't the good daughter. You weren't the daughter he needed, the best friend. You were not a daddy's girl.
I loved it. I can barely speak. I'm filled with emotion. Tears are liquid love. MaryLee poured her heart out, and I'm so proud of her. And please don't miss it if you get a chance to see it in any way, shape, or form in the future. Marvelous.